What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Sendible. Sendible is a social media management platform that provides tools for agencies and brands to manage their social media presence. It offers white label branding, scalable pricing as the number of profiles and users grows, and support for migrating from other platforms. Sendible provides live webinars, onboarding, and global support with flexible billing cycles to accommodate changing needs. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and key features. Collaborative features. Sendible social media collaboration tools allow teams to work together seamlessly on creating and approving content. Users can assign tasks, leave comments, and get posts approved before scheduling them, ensuring brand consistency and content quality. This collaborative functionality saves time and enables better delegation of responsibilities, such as responding to customer messages across multiple social platforms. By empowering teams to collaborate effectively, Sendible helps organizations maintain a cohesive and professional social media presence even as the number of team members and social profile grows. The approval workflow also gives decision makers the ability to review and sign off on content before it is published, reducing the risk of errors or inappropriate posts. Streamlined social media publishing. Sendible's publishing features help users streamline their social media workflow. The platform allows for bulk scheduling posts, optimizing images for each social network, and integrating with design tools like Canva. These capabilities enable users to save time and create more engaging visual content, ultimately boosting audience engagement on social media. By automating repetitive tasks and providing seamless integrations, Sendible helps users focus on creating high-quality content and building relationships with their audience rather than getting bogged down in the technical aspects of social media management. The ability to schedule posts in advance and optimize visuals for each platform ensures that content is delivered at the optimal times and formats, maximizing its impact. Social media analytics. Sendible offers robust analytics and reporting features, including branded reports, automated client reporting, and integration with Google Analytics. This provides users with valuable insights to track the performance of their social media strategies, demonstrates ROI, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their approach. The comprehensive reporting capabilities enable users to measure the success of their campaigns, identify top-performing content, and understand their audience's behavior and preferences. By leveraging these analytics, users can refine their social media strategies, allocate resources more effectively, and demonstrate the value of their efforts to clients or stakeholders. The ability to generate branded reports also helps agencies and freelancers present a professional and customized service to their clients. Centralized content creation. Sendible's Compose box allows users to create and schedule posts across multiple social networks from a single interface. This centralized content creation and publishing process improves efficiency and productivity as users can manage their entire social media presence from one convenient location. By consolidating the content creation and scheduling workflows, Sendible helps users save time and reduce the risk of errors or inconsistencies across different platforms. The ability to seamlessly publish content to various social networks from a single dashboard enables a more streamlined and cohesive social media strategy as users can maintain a consistent brand voice and messaging across all their channels. Prioritizing engagement. Sendible's priority inbox feature helps users stay on top of important social media conversations and messages. This ensures timely responses to customers and leads, enhancing social media engagement and customer service, which are crucial for building strong relationships with the audience. By surfacing the most critical interactions, the priority inbox feature allows users to focus their attention on the conversation that matter most, improving responsiveness and demonstrating a commitment to customer satisfaction. This can lead to increased brand loyalty, positive word of mouth, and ultimately better business outcomes. White label branding. Sendible offers white label branding options, enabling agencies to provide social media management services under their own brand. This helps agencies and freelancers offer a more professional and customized service to their clients, strengthening their brand identity and positioning them as experts in the field. By removing Sendible's branding and incorporating the agency's own logo, color scheme, and messaging, clients perceive the service as a seamless extension of the agency's capabilities. This white label functionality allows agencies to build stronger relationships with their clients, differentiate themselves from competitors, and increase their perceived value in the market. Customizable content organization. Sendible allows users to create custom tags for their social media content, making it easier to organize and find relevant posts. This improved content management capability enables more targeted social media strategies, as users can quickly access and repurpose content based on specific themes or campaigns. By categorizing content with custom tags, users can easily identify and reuse high-performing posts, streamline the content creation process, and ensure a consistent brand voice across their social media channels. The ability to organize content in a way that aligns with their specific business needs and marketing objectives empowers users to optimize their social media efforts and deliver more relevant and engaging content to their audience. AI-powered content suggestions. Sendible's AI Assist feature provides content suggestions and recommendations to help users create and schedule more engaging social media posts. This streamlines the content ideation and creation process, saving time and improving the quality of social media content, which is crucial for capturing the attention of the audience. The AI-powered recommendations are based on data-driven insights, analyzing factors such as audience preferences, industry trends, and the performance of previous content. By leveraging this intelligent content creation, users can quickly generate ideas for new posts, identify trending topics, and ensure that their social media content is aligned with their target audience's interests and needs. This AI-powered functionality helps users stay ahead of the curve, delivering more relevant and impactful content to their followers. When it comes to pricing, Sendible offers a range of pricing plans to suit the needs of businesses of all sizes, from small teams to large enterprises. The Creator Plan comes at $29 per month. This includes 1 user, 12 social profiles, custom branding, automated client reporting, content library, and AI Assist. The Traction Plan comes at $89 per month, and it includes 4 users, 24 social profiles, all features in the Creator Plan, plus access to all features, customizable number of users and profiles, and optional SSO. The Scale Plan comes at $199 per month and includes 7 users, 49 social profiles, all features in the Traction Plan, plus custom branding, domain, account manager, and AI Assist. The Advanced Plan comes at $240 per month, and it includes 10 users, 60 social profiles, white label brand and domain, bulk posting custom tags, advanced user permissions, live reporting sharing, and account manager. Enterprise plan comes at $750 per month. It includes 50 users, 300 social profiles, access to all features, white label brand and domain, optional SSO, scalable user and profiles, and dedicated customer success. Sendible's comprehensive social media management platform offers a range of features and pricing plans to suit the needs of businesses of all sizes. With its powerful collaboration tools, streamlined publishing capabilities, advanced analytics, and AI-powered content suggestions, Sendible empowers users to create and manage an effective social media presence that drives engagement and results. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.